Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to import products to your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid store right here at ecwid.com, and after doing so you'll be greeted by this main page, where in the main page you can get started with logging in. So if you do not already have an account, you want to go and create a new one, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page right here of your store, where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with importing products into our store. So what we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. Finding the catalog option is going to go ahead and enable us to manage our products. So you want to open up the products via the catalog option right here. That's going to open up this product section and menu, where you can find all the products that you have in your store. If you don't have any products, this is going to be empty. And now what we want to do guys, if you want to import products, as you can see at the top of the screen, you're going to have an import or export products option. So by clicking on it guys, this is going to enable you to import your products. So by clicking the import products option, it's going to enable you to import the file for your products, such as a CSV file, or from some other store. You can connect to some other store depending which way you prefer, and you can get started importing that file right here directly. So it's going to add that product option into your catalog, and all the products you have imported are going to appear right here, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.